Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Edutainment, and I am Smita Singh, going to teach you about the YouTube analytics. So what is YouTube analytics and what is the use of this and how it is going to help you out? So here YouTube analytics is an invaluable tool that will provide you detailed insights into the performance of your channel. So this is going to help you out to provide you the insights of your of performance of your channel. By dividing deep into the data, you can understand what content resonates your audience and identify areas for improvement. One of the key features of YouTube analytics is its ability to track and analyze viewer engagement. So by YouTube analytics, you will get, if you are having the software YouTube studio, then in that you can see YouTube analytics option is there. Even in your account you can see YouTube analytics option is there, where you can find the performance of your channel, the how many people are live into your on your channel, and what is the performance of 7 days, 28 days, 1 year. So you can track your you can say you can track your account, you can track your performance of your work. So analytics is helping out you in this way, you can say. One of the key features of YouTube analytics is its ability to track and analyze viewer engagement. So how people are engaged with your channel, how viewer are engaged to your channel, you gets to know. You get to know. You can see metrics such as watch time, average view duration, and audience retention. This is how this is going to help you out. By YouTube analytics, you see the matrix, watch time, average view duration. Means if you are uploading 5 minutes of videos, so that 5 minutes are going to watched or not. The average duration of watch duration of the video, you get to know that people are going giving five, if you are giving, uploading 5 minutes video on YouTube, people are going to give attention on for 5 minutes, or they are just watching, clicking and going through, and quitting from that video, or what exactly. So you get to know, you get to know by YouTube analytics, what is the retention, what is the audience, who the if audience are coming back, how many new, you get percentage where you can calculate viewer are returning or not. On your channel, people are old who are watching, or coming new audience as well. So by this analytics, you get your you get mapped your performance. This information helps you understand which videos hold viewers attention and which may need some tweaking. Furthermore, YouTube analytics allows you to delve into demographic data about your viewers. You can learn more about their age, range, gender distribution, geographical location, and playback devices. So, by YouTube analytics, you get to know that the audience of your channel are like, if I talk about gender based, so it is female, male. Like, you get to know that, like, what percent of male are watching your videos, what percent of female are watching your videos. If you say what age range is also there, like 18 to 24, like audience of your channel is who, like 18 to 24 years old people are watching your videos more, or above that, or lesser than. So you get to know category wise, age range wise, you get to know that footfall of your on your channel, people are coming towards your channel, going through your channel, they are at what age, right? So you can justify, you can categorize, you can say these categorization are there by this feature YouTube analytics. So if you're not going through your YouTube analytics on daily basis, you must go. You, if you want to take your performance to bottom to top, then on daily basis you'll have to keep an eye on your YouTube analytics. By YouTube analytics only you will be able to measure your performance, that where you are, whether you are giving your time at a good place or not. You are giving your, if you are giving your 100%, that is going helpful, fruitful or not. If you need any changes, because by these analytics you will be able to understand your performance, your work, your categorization you are doing, you are uploading the videos, they are going to help you out or not. So by these analytics you can make your you can say customize your things, and most importantly you will be going to right direction, where you can take your YouTube from bottom to top. So this is how YouTube analytics is going to help you out. If you like my video, please do comment on comment box. And if you want any other video specification which I can create for you, and if you want me to create any special video for you, please do comment, and for sure I'll make a video. Okay. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.